Hello, dear friends. Let's learn a new chapter that is Introduction of Trigonometry. So far, we have learned about right angle triangle and geometry in class 9th and before that. But now, this is a totally a new concept for you. That is, you have not seen yet. But I will start or I will teach you in such a way that it's smoothly goes on. Okay, so let's take first some of the scenario where the concept will arise. Suppose I have a right angle triangle. Okay, and this is 3 and this is 5. Okay, so definitely we can get you know 4 as you have seen that by Pythagoras triplet. But what if someone don't didn't given you side, I mean only one side, and another angle like if it is 37, not 37, 53 degree, right? So by the, as we know, by the Pythagoras triplet, if it is 3 then definitely it will be 4 and will be 5. That is tricky, but take some more cases, like if it is uh, let's say it's a 7, right? And this is 30 degree, then how we can get this one or this one? So in this case, trigonometry will comes into the picture. How? Let's see. Suppose I have given a right angle triangle with angle 30 degree, and if it is suppose it's a not 30 degree, uh, let's say again it is 53 degree. If it's a 3 then it's a 4, right? Now let's further extend these two sides, then we get new. I had extended such a way that it's become 6. Okay, I mean twice of this one. So this one will be definitely it will be 8, right? So ratio is R for the older version, that is 4 by 3, and the new version 8 by 6, again it is 4 by 3. So no matter that how much you extend, I mean whatever will be the triangle, if angle is 53 degree, then always the ratio of base base and perpendicular is same. So one thing we are getting constant, that is ratio. So if I know already ratio of any triangle, I mean here we know the ratio is 4 by 3, 4 by 3 for angle 53 degree. Then ratio is 4 by 3. If someone will come and ask that if I had created a new triangle with the angle 53 degree and then tell me a perpendicular 53 degree, base is, suppose someone say that is 10, what will be the perpendicular? So as we know that 453 degree ratio is 4 by 3, and this ratio also written is P by B. So here P is, we don't know P, we can write P is as it is, P by 10. So P equal to 10 into 4, 10 into 4 by 3. We will P equal to 40 by 3, that is 33, 13 point, I think 30 point something, that is. So we know that we have know that one ratio. Basically, this ratio is known as 10, 53. That is 4 by 3. Let's recap this. 10 is the ratio for what? Perpendicular by base. Similarly, there is a lot, not lot, there is 6 ratio we can make out of this triangle. I mean, it's a P, B, and H. I already know P by B is called tan. It's a theta, so it's tan theta. P by H equal sin theta. B by H equal cos theta. Okay, and rest of them is reverse of this. So B by P will be cot theta, and H by P equal cosec theta, and H by P and H by B equal sec theta. So this is the reverse of this. Uh, this is reverse of that, and this is reverse of this. So this is not will be you know tough for you. It's now it's easy. So basically, I want to say that if you know the ratio already, you know the ratio of for the of for that angle, then you can find the rest of the sides. In next class, you will be remember for ratio for some fixed angle, like most of the case we are using 30-degree angle, right? So what is value for sine 30 degree, cos 30 degree? Okay, likewise, so we will be using 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and only for this. So we will be have a table where all the value for this angle and for these ratios we have going to we will be going to remember. Thank you very much.